Hello and welcome back to World of English.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here with us today. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button and like this video.
I'm Ollie.
And I'm Ina.
If you're new here, this is a place to practice listening and speaking with simple, real English. Today, we are going to learn a very useful thing, how to talk about your yesterday. What did you do? Let's practice together. So, Ina, how are you today?
I'm good, Ollie. A little tired, but good. How about you?
I'm great, thank you. The weather is nice today.
Yes, it is much better than yesterday.
Oh, yes. Yesterday was very cloudy and cool.
It was. So, what did you do this weekend, Ollie?
Well, not much. I relaxed at home. And you?
I watched a football game on TV. It was very exciting.
That sounds fun. Okay, Ina, you start. How was your yesterday?
My yesterday was interesting. It started very normally. I woke up at 7 o'clock.
7 a.m.? That's early for a Saturday.
It was early, but I had a reason. My phone made a very loud noise, a notification.
Oh no! What was it?
It was a message from my brother. He sent me a photo of his new cat.
A new cat? That's exciting. What kind of cat?
A small gray cat. Very cute. So after that, I couldn't sleep. I decided to make a big breakfast.
What did you make?
I made pancakes, but there was a small problem.
A problem with pancakes?
Yes, I wanted to make 6 pancakes, but I made too much batter.
Too much batter. So, how many pancakes did you make?
I made 12 pancakes.
12? 12 pancakes for one person? That's so many.
I know, it was a big mistake. I ate 3, but 9 pancakes were on the table. I didn't know what to do.
So, what did you do with the other 9 pancakes?
I called my neighbor, Mrs. Ghani. She's an elderly woman. She lives alone. I asked her, "Do you like pancakes?"
That's very nice of you, Ina.
She said yes, so I gave her 6 pancakes. She was very happy. And the last 3 pancakes, I put them in the fridge. Maybe I will eat them today. So, my morning was about pancakes. What about your morning yesterday, Allie?
My morning was less about food and more about water.
Water?
Yes, I wanted to water my plants. I have many plants in my living room.
I remember. You have 10, maybe 12 plants?
14 plants. So, I took my water bottle. I watered the first plant, the second plant, but then, accident.
What kind of accident?
My hand hit the bottle. The water didn't go on the plant. It went on my book.
On your book? Oh no. Was it an important book?
It was my library book. The book was very wet. I had to dry it quickly.
How did you dry a wet book?
I used paper towels, many paper towels. I put the paper between the pages. Then I put the book near the window in the sun.
Did it work? Is the book okay now?
I think so. The pages are a little wavy now, not flat, but I can read it. So after the book accident, I finished watering the plants. Then I decided to leave the house.
Good idea. Where did you go?
I went to the shopping mall. I needed new shoes for walking.
Did you find good shoes?
I found black shoes and white shoes. I liked both. I couldn't decide.
That's always difficult. What did you do?
I called my friend Sarah. I sent her photos of the shoes. I asked black or white.
And what did Sarah say?
She said, "Black shoes are for every day, white shoes are for summer. Buy the black shoes."
Smart advice. So, did you buy the black shoes?
No,
No.
I bought the white shoes. I thought about summer. Summer is soon. I was happy with my decision.
Sometimes you don't follow the advice. I understand. Did you do other things in the mall?
I drank a smoothie, a mango and banana smoothie. It was cold and delicious. I sat and watched people for 20 minutes. It was interesting.
People watching is fun. Did you see anything funny?
I saw a small child. He had a big blue balloon. Then the balloon flew away. The child looked at the balloon in the air. He was surprised, but he didn't cry. He just waved goodbye to the balloon.
That's a sweet story. My afternoon was less sweet. I had to go to the bank.
The bank on a Saturday? Was it busy?
It was very busy. I waited for 45 minutes. I just sat on a chair and waited. I played a word game on my phone.
That's a long time. Did you solve your bank problem?
Yes, it was a small problem with my card. It took 5 minutes with the bank teller, but the waiting was 45 minutes.
Oh dear. After the bank, what did you do?
I was hungry. It was 2:30 p.m. I didn't eat lunch, so I went to a small cafe near the bank.
What did you order?
I ordered a chicken sandwich and salad and a lemonade.
Was it good?
The sandwich was good, but the salad? It had a strange vegetable.
Strange? What vegetable?
I don't know the name. It was purple and white. I tasted it. It was interesting. Not bad, but new for me.
Maybe it was radicchio. It's purple. Maybe I will search for pictures later.
After lunch, I walked home. The walk was nice. I saw a new shop.
A new shop. What kind of shop?
A shop for board games. You know, games you play on a table with family or friends?
I like board games. Did you go inside?
Yes, I went inside. It was amazing. There were hundreds of games. The shop assistant was very friendly. He explained 3 games to me.
Did you buy a game? I met them at 7 p.m. at the restaurant.
Question 2. How did you go to the restaurant? Bus? Car?
I took a taxi. It was faster.
Question 3. Besides kebabs, what did you eat?
We ate warm bread first, and salad, and the baklava at the end.
My turn. Ask me questions.
Okay. Did you talk to anyone at the game shop besides the assistant?
Yes, I talked to a woman about a game called Catan. She said it's very good for beginners.
Next question. How did you feel when you waited at the bank?
I felt a little bored, but also relaxed. I had no hurry.
Last question. What was the best part of your yesterday?
The best part was giving pancakes to Mrs. Ghani. Her smile was big. She said, "Thank you, dear. You made my day." That felt good. What was your best part, Allie?
The best part was laughing with my cousins, remembering old times. Family is important.
Yes, it is.
So to talk about yesterday, we talk about morning, afternoon, and evening. We talk about food, people, places, and feelings.
Exactly. And we use many verbs in the past. Let's say some together. Woke up, made, gave, watered, went, bought, drank, saw, waited, ordered, walked, talked, ate, felt.
It seems like a lot, but when you talk about your day, you use them naturally. Start with simple sentences. Yesterday, I woke up at 7. I made breakfast. I worked. I met a friend. Step by step.
And remember, you can always say, "I don't remember," or "It was normal." Not every day is exciting.
Very true. My plant watering accident was not exciting for the book, but it's a story now.
And my 12 pancakes are a story now, so everything can be practice.
Now, let's look at some important words and phrases from our talk. First, let's talk about the word had. We use this a lot. For example, I said I had a reason. This means there was a reason.
And I said, I had to dry it quickly. You couldn't avoid it.
Can you give another example of had to, Ina?
Sure. The bank was closed, so I had to go back today. Or, it started to rain, so we had to go inside.
Perfect. Another useful word is while. I used it. I ate my dinner while I watched a documentary. It means two actions happened at the same time.
Right. The structure is simple. Action 1 plus while plus action 2. I talked to my sister while I washed the dishes.
Now, a very common question phrase, what kind of? You asked me, what kind of cat? It's perfect when you want specific information.
Yes. What kind of book, food, or phone do you like? It shows you are interested.
A word for describing your day, busy. I said the bank was busy. It means many things to do, no free time. The opposite is quiet or relaxed.
And finally, a phrase for small accidents. Oh no. When you told me about the water on your book, I said, oh no. It's a natural, friendly way to show you are listening.
It's for small problems. If a friend says, I lost my keys, you can say, oh no.
Let's practice quickly. Allie, ask me a question with what kind of?
Ina, what kind of documentaries do you like to watch?
I like to watch nature documentaries. Your turn. Tell me a sentence with while.
I like to drink tea while I read the news in the morning.
Good. Now use had to in a sentence about yesterday.
Yesterday, I had to wait a long time for the bus. It was late.
Now describe your last weekend in one word. Was it busy or quiet?
It was quiet. Very, very quiet. I needed that.
And finally, I will say a small problem and you say, oh no, I spilled tea on my notebook this morning.
Oh no, was there important writing in it?
See, you used it perfectly.
So, our useful things are had or had to, while, what kind of, busy, and oh no. Try to use one or two when you write about your yesterday in the comments.
And remember, learning English is step by step. Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Now it's your turn to practice. Our question of the day is, what did you do yesterday?
Please tell us. Write a few sentences in the comments below. We want to read about your day.
You can write about anything. Maybe you worked, studied, cleaned, or just relaxed. Everything is interesting.
If you want a challenge, try to use while or had to. But simple sentences are perfect too.
We promise we will read as many comments as we can. This is your safe place to practice English.
Before we go, do you have one final tip for talking about the past, Allie?
My final tip is, think in pictures. Before you speak, think about your day like a short movie. Then just describe the scenes.
That's wonderful. My tip is keep a little notebook. At the end of the day, write 2 or 3 sentences in English about your day. You will see your own progress.
We believe in you. Every small effort is a big step. Thank you for spending this time with us.
Thank you for your hard work. So remember to write your answer in the comments.
Give this video a like if it helped you, and subscribe to World of English for more simple, friendly conversations every week.
See you next time.